Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and this is a craft channel. First I want to say thank you to all of my new subscribers. I don't know what's happening, but we had a huge surge in subscribers lately and that is amazing. I hope I provide some relevant content for you guys. Stuff that's going to maybe put a smile on your face and keep you busy during this trying time. I want to start off with a short declaration, I guess we could call it, and just say that I'm a Hispanic woman. I am of Mexican descent and I fully support the movement for the Black Lives Matter. Not only that, but every other minority and people of color, and also LGBTQ plus. Every person on this planet matters. So if you don't agree with that, you don't have to stay. Let's get into the video. That's all I'm going to say about that. This package comes to us from, if you can't tell, Russia, and I completely forgot about it. I got it in my mail yesterday and I was looking at it like, what in the holy frickin' flip is this shit? I'm like touching it and squeezing the tubes in here and I'm like, what the fuck is this? Like, what did I order? Took me, I put it in my car, I was driving away and I was like, duh. Took me a good, I don't know, 2 minutes before I remembered what the fuck it was. So let me get some scissors. So this bad boy is from Nitka, Moscow. I think that's what it's called. These are some kits that I have been eyeing for a very long time that you can only purchase in a kit. The pattern is what I want. Not a big fan of what comes with the kits because I'm pretty sure it comes with linen. In case you didn't know already, if you're not familiar with Nitka, Moscow, it is cross-stitched stuff. So yeah, if that didn't make any sense to you guys, I apologize, but the kits I'm pretty sure come with linen, and there's 3 tubes in here, and I'm not sure why, because I don't recall ordering 3, so we're gonna find out. So it says it's from somebody named Olga Shumilova, so I don't know if that's the owner of this company, but they're amazing to work with. It does say that there are 3 tubes in here and I'm not sure why. I don't recall ordering 3. I might have, but I don't remember. They're amazing to work with. Their website, you can't order off their website putting an American address, so you do have to message them and ask. That's exactly what I did, and they sent me an invoice and I paid for it and everything was golden. So let's get these out. Are these stuck together? Yes, they are. Okay. So this is what they look like so far. Okay, we're gonna look at the labels together. Now these, I need a coffee break. Should be the Barbara Anna kits. The packaging is so cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh. So this is Miss Teapot. So I wasn't gonna order these, even though I really wanted the pattern. But after Barbara Anna came out with Light and the Key, I really just fell in love with the way that she's designing these and decided that I needed to have them. So Miss Teapot, we're gonna open her in a second. Let's see what else is here. Miss Coffee. Oh, I did order 3. Miss Coffee. So at this point I have the whole collection of them, unless she comes out with more. And then Miss Scissors. Yay. Okay, let's get these open. Let's stand them up. Do they have a way to open them better? Oh no, this one's dented. There is some tape on there too. Let me see. And I think that's the way I'm gonna have to open it too. Let's see. Yeah. There's some tape on the end here. Hold on. Oh, please. Oh, okay. That just popped right off. So, let's get this tape off. That just came right out. We'll leave that there so you guys can look at that. Let me angle you a little bit more down. Okay. Let's see what comes in here. So I can't show you the pattern because it doesn't have a cover page, doesn't look like, and it looks like it's on some bone. Well, actually, no. It's actually a very nice linen. Looks nice. Let's see what. It's not coming out. Okay, so there is that. There's some other papers, and then the pattern. So I'm just gonna briefly take out the pattern so I can take a peek at it. Oh yeah, it is huge. I don't know how I'm gonna make a working copy of this. I don't even think this will fit in my printer. Let me see. I wonder if I can make a working copy of this somehow without folding it. Yeah, so it's quite large, which is great because even if you can't see small things, you'll be able to see this, except that it is black and white. So there's that. And the colors, oh, well, it comes with all the colors, so we're gonna look at those. Okay. And then it has, let's see what this is. It's completely in Russian, so I'm assuming it's just showing you how to do French knot, full cross, back stitch, half stitch, and I guess it's just telling you the direction that you should go in. Not necessarily have to go in, but you know. So these do come on linen. You guys know that I'm not a huge fan of linen, but we'll make do. I might try it because my other Barbara Anna light is already on a piece of linen, so maybe I'll do them to match. These are the colors. I'm assuming they're DMC. I can't read Russian, so I'm not sure they feel like DMC. So there's 15 colors for this. Lots of browns, goldy colors. That tan is pretty. I wonder where that goes. Oh, it goes in the background. Can you guys see that? Probably not once I put the linen open. And then it comes with 2 needles. And I love how they put them on this little piece of felt. That's cute. This feels almost exactly like the linen that I already have for the what is it called? The linen that I'm stitching light on. It's almost, where is that one? I can show you guys. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff on top of it, but it feels almost the same, but this is a higher count. Can definitely tell. I think that other one's 28. I don't know what this one is. It might be 32. I'm gonna have to ask Michelle Bandy because I don't know, and I'm pretty sure she has one of these kits. All right. So how did this go rolled up in there? So there's the first one. That's Miss Scissors. I'm pretty sure they're all gonna be the same at this point. I don't know how this thing was in there. I don't want to leave them out and get them mixed up. There we go. And I'm gonna put them back the way they had them. There comes the trash truck again. Never fails that I'm recording on trash day. There's one. Ugh, I hope that's not too loud. We're gonna open the second one while he passes by. Yeah, these are literally exactly the same on the inside. So this one, I bent it opening it. At least I think that was me. Yeah, it probably was. Shape it back. So this one is Miss Coffee, and she comes exactly the same way with the same linen, and of course the DMC for her. all braided. This one also has 15 colors. The big difference is these ones here, the background. Look very similar to Miss Teapot. So let's see if I can get this back in without making a big stink. Why must you be so difficult? Well, I bent the shit out of that one, so I'm gonna have to just take it out on the next one. Let's see if I can get this damn thing back in. There it is. Let's take a peek at the last one real quick. The last one. This one's Miss Scissors. This is the one that I originally saw. And then I think Miss Teapot came out first. Then it was Miss Scissors. Then it was Miss Coffee. And when Miss Coffee came out, I was like, that's it. I have to get these. I want to take the tape off so that I'm not bending the lid. Where's the other piece of tape at? Because I bent the first lid. We don't want to do that. Only two. Okay. This is taking me. There we go. Nice and straight. So, Miss Scissors. I'm just going to take out the lid and I'm going to put it back in a nicer way. Why is he taking so long? The trash guy. So it comes the exact same way. You get the instruction thing with like the stitches, and then you get the chart, which I don't know what size of paper this is, but it's huge. So let's put this here and open this up. So there we go. So it looks like it has less colors. Yep, this one only has 10 colors. Lots of white because you've got this giant bird thing on top, and I don't even know if this is the whole design. The butterfly, it doesn't look like, looks like there's some missing. I don't know if this arch is complete in some way like the others, but we'll see. 10 colors though, this is gonna be fun to work on. I don't know how many colors light has, but it's not that many either, I don't think. So blues and teals on this one. You still have the same like goldy kind of colors, and that red. Are they all redheads? I'm gonna put them next to each other right now. And the same piece of linen. I honestly don't know if I want to stitch these on the same piece of linen for them to all match. I really don't. And this is huge. I don't know if it's gonna actually be this whole size. Let me see what size this is. So it's a 14 by 11, 21-ish piece of linen. That's quite large in my opinion. So I don't know if that's the whole thing. Let me look at the stitch count. I'm gonna take this one out. You see how large the paper is. Huge. Like, so I'm gonna show you guys like the whole thing. Stitch count is let's see, 154 by 127, looks like, roughly. So I need to figure out what count this is so that I know where to start, because I don't want to start like, what if I start at 2 inches in and then I don't have enough room? Yes, but this linen looks more what's the word, it looks tighter than the one that I have, and I'm pretty sure that's because it is, because the one that I have is 28 count. So this one has to be higher than that if I can get the damn thing in. There we go. So let's put the lid on and put them all right next to each other so you guys can see what they all look like. And then I'll see if I can zoom in. There we have it. all three. Now, I kind of wish that I would have stitched light on a more appropriate size, like a 32 count to match, because I feel like these would have all looked great lined up next to each other. But then at the same time, maybe not, because those are animals and these are humans. So maybe I'll do light and key on the same type of linen, or the same count, so that they're next to each other because they're animals, and then keep these three next to each other. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Really considering changing the fabric, because first, I'm not a big fan of linen, and second, I'm not a big fan of the natural colors, and I think I'm already stitching like a couple of projects that are on like brownish fabrics, and I just want something more offsetting, or I don't want to say bold, but I get very bored stitching on just like tan. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I might end up doing them anyway, so I can put them all next to each other. I feel like these are going to be larger than they look, because that's what happened with light. I thought light was going to be small. Hell no, it was not small at all. It was huge. So yeah, there it is, guys. There we have it. Miss Scissors, Miss Coffee, and Miss Teapot. So again, I got these from Nitka Moscow, which is a Russian designer, and they are the only ones that you can get these Barbara Anna kits, just so you know. So there is the Instagram. You follow them on Instagram and you can see all of this. There's a phone number that looks like a WhatsApp, an email. I don't know if this is an email. I don't know what that is actually. And oh, there's the size of this one, 109 by 121 of Miss Teapot. So I would just follow them on Instagram. You can go there and there's a link where you can go to the website and obtain the contact information if you want to order. I can't even tell you how long these took. I don't even think I got a shipping notification now that I think about it, but these took a couple of weeks. But it's totally fine. Like, it, considering we're in lockdown, these came faster than other things that I've ordered from overseas. So yeah, there you guys have it. All right, so thank you guys for watching. I know this video is a little out there. I guess I'm feeling a little off today. Anywho's, that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little haul, and I'll see you guys in the next, I don't know, floss tube, whip and chat, who knows. Bye.